Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video is the Skydroid C10 Pro connected to the Skydroid G20 test tutorial. The Skydroid C10 camera uses an industrial-grade 3-axis stabilization structure, which greatly reduces image shake and keeps the picture stable at all times. The Skydroid C10 is the solution for countless unmanned systems including multi-rotor drones, airplanes, helicopters, VTOL aircraft, boats, cars, submarines, etc. The Skydroid G20 Remote Controller is equipped with Qualcomm's latest 6nm processor and the Android 13 system, which can easily perform hardware decoding on H.264, H.265 and 4K video streams, and can smoothly run various ground station software. The video is divided into 3 parts. What products are needed for this test? How to wire. How to display. What products are needed for this test? The products used in this wiring test are Skydroid C10 Pro Gimbal Camera, Skydroid G20 Remote Controller, Tata 16,000 mAh battery. The cables used for this connection test are C10 Pro Video Transmission Cable, G20 Receiver Power Cable. How to wire. First, connect the C10 Pro Video Transmission port to the G20 Receiver Network port using the C10 Pro Video Transmission cable. The C10 connector is GH 1.257 pin, and the G20 Receiver Network port is GH 1.254 pin. Then use the XT30 power cable to power on the G20 receiver. Finally, power on the C10. How to display. Turn on the remote controller and open the gimbal FPV. At this time, you can get the gimbal video feed in the FPV app. Click System Settings and turn off the video switch. The gimbal FPV app will stop receiving video. Click Gimbal Parameter Settings Gimbal Control. There are 4 control modes available and multiple modes can be checked at the same time. We will use the remote controller channels to control the gimbal's pan and tilt. After setting, we can use the remote controller channel to control the camera movement. Click Settings. Copy the C10 Pro video address. Open QGC and go to Application Settings. In the General Interface, set the video type to RTSP video stream. Paste the video address. Return to the flight interface, and you will see the C10 Pro video feed, and you can use the assigned channels to control the C10 Pro movement. This concludes the Skydroid C10 Pro connected to Skydroid G20 test tutorial video. Thank you for watching and supporting us. If you have any questions about the video or would like us to go deeper in future content, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to follow the World Drone Market channel. We will continue to bring more drone equipment reviews, tutorials, and practical guides. See you in the next video.